Liberal Judge Susan Crawford defeats Elon Musk-backed candidate in Wisconsin Supreme Court race. In a closely watched Wisconsin Supreme Court race, Liberal Judge Susan Crawford has triumphed over conservative candidate Brad Schimel, despite significant financial backing from billionaire Elon Musk. This victory secures the liberal majority on the state's highest court and ensures the recently implemented fair district maps remain intact, preventing Republican-led gerrymandering. This outcome also protects Wisconsin from the potential reinstatement of restrictive laws such as the 1849 abortion ban, which Republicans were poised to enforce had they gained control of the court. The stakes and implications. Crawford's win is a pivotal moment for democracy in Wisconsin. Had Schimel won, the consequences could have been severe, as the Republican Party sought to leverage judicial control to push through extreme legislation. For now, Wisconsin voters have upheld the integrity of their judicial system, resisting attempts to buy political influence. Elon Musk's election influence. Musk's involvement in this election was seen as an experiment to determine whether massive financial contributions could tilt state-level judicial races in favor of conservative candidates. He poured millions into the campaign, including million-dollar checks aimed at mobilizing voters for Schimel. The ultimate goal appeared to be a test case for influencing elections nationwide. At a rally in Wisconsin, former Trump administration official Sean Duffy openly acknowledged the stakes, urging voters to support Schimel and send a message to the radical left not to challenge Musk's growing influence in U.S. elections. The Republican Party has increasingly leaned on Musk as a financial benefactor, making this race a crucial test of his political impact. Defying big money politics. The Wisconsin election results underscore a crucial point. While vast sums of money can influence political races, they do not guarantee victory. Musk's deep pockets could not override the will of the people, proving that grassroots mobilization and voter engagement still hold significant power. This outcome challenges the narrative that billionaires can single-handedly dictate the political landscape through financial dominance. Looking ahead to 2026, Crawford's victory suggests momentum is on the side of progressives heading into future elections. If Democrats can win despite a flood of conservative funding and high-profile endorsements, it raises questions about the effectiveness of Republican strategies moving forward. The right-wing media machine and financial asymmetry between parties remain formidable challenges, but Wisconsin's results provide hope that civic engagement can counteract these forces. Who is Susan Crawford? Judge Susan Crawford has built her career on advocating for fairness and justice. Growing up in Chippewa Falls, Wisconsin, she experienced economic hardships that shaped her perspective on the law. Crawford has worked as a prosecutor, fought for reproductive rights while representing Planned Parenthood, defended workers' rights, and championed voter access. Her commitment to holding corporations and individuals accountable has made her a formidable force in Wisconsin's legal landscape. The alternative, Brad Schimel's controversial record. Schimel, a former Republican attorney general, had a history of prioritizing right-wing interests over public welfare. During his tenure, he failed to address a backlog of over 6,000 untested sexual assault kits and was slow to act on the opioid epidemic while accepting campaign contributions from pharmaceutical companies. His close ties to conservative donors, including Musk, raised concerns about his impartiality on the bench. A victory for the people. Ultimately, this election was a showdown between grassroots democracy and billionaire influence. Wisconsin voters proved that political engagement can outweigh even the most well-funded campaigns. While Musk and other conservative donors will likely continue pouring money into future races, this outcome demonstrates that financial power alone cannot dictate electoral results. The lesson from Wisconsin is clear: participation matters, conversations with friends and neighbors make a difference, and democracy is not for sale. This victory serves as a reminder that collective action remains a powerful force in shaping the nation's future.